What's up, guys? So now, the water heater should be firing up. So and I was. What?
Did you say for me to turn it on?
Yes. It's running. It doesn't sound like Nana and Papa's.
Good to know.
So there it is running.
Can I turn it off now?
Yes. Now I'm gonna video the air handler unit. Now here's the air handler unit, and here's the return air duct coming from the ducts. This is a big attic. Oh, sorry, my alarm went off to come up here. So this is two ducts lead down into the laundry room, and so I'm glad we have a tankless water heater. And so this is the air handler unit. Hey, they took that old vent out. Alright, so that does about it for the video. Bye.